Hi friends, uh, today we are going to see the internal circuitry of this multimeter, how internally all these are made, how all these are placed at some positions, this rotary switch, these insert, probe insertions. I'm going to open this so that we can have a look at this internal circuit of the multimeter. I'm removing these test probes, test leads, and I'm removing the unscrewing the screws so that the back cover will be removed. Okay, we are done with unscrewing. Okay, I'm opening this. See, this is a back panel and we have some battery here. See, the battery is placed like this. It is pushed into these springs so that it is making contact with the circuit. This is a 9-volt battery which is giving supply to this multimeter. This is a 9-volt battery. See, 9-volt battery. This is a positive and this is a negative. Here indication, and this is a positive. And next, coming to the circuit, and next coming to the circuit, which is here. You can see, you can have a look at this. This is the IC which is doing all the action in the multimeter, and this is our on-board multi SMDs resistors, surface mount resistors, and this is a buzzer. When you are checking continuity mode, this buzzer is going to raise noise. And this is probe connections. These are probe connections, and see, this is a capacitor, and these are all the diodes and capacitors. See, there is then board indication R8 SMD resistor. R means resistor, SMD resistor. These are surface mount, they are mounted on the surface. These are resistor, variable resistor, and this C4, this is a capacitor, and C5, this is also a capacitor, and these are all resistors, and this is also resistor. And you can see this is a fuse connection here, but it is left running without connecting any fuse. This it can be connected optional, and you can remove this PCB, and you can look at the rotary switch internal circuitry, how it is going to contact with this PCB. I'm going to remove this so that we can see internal circuit. see, uh, we have unscrewed this PCB. You can see this for connecting battery to the supply. These springs connecting the battery. Now you can see this rotary switch which is moving in this direction. It's moving like this. It's moving like this, and these are the small bearings which is for free rotation, which is making free rotation. This is a display, LCD display. This is a display where you can read the readings, and it is connected to the board here, and it is connected to the board here like this. These are internally, there is some connection between here in this, there is an internal connection between these and this. This is giving commands to this LCD so that the readings are displayed on this display. And coming to this rotary switch, this is a track for the rotary switch. And this is the transistor checking, and this is the probe insertion, and this is a PCB for the multimeter. This is a buzzer. When you are checking multimeter in continuity mode, it raises a beep sound.
బాల్స్ ఉంటాయి. దగ్గర పెట్టి చూపించు ఫోన్ వస్తుంది. పడేయండి.